In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste hook in Pro Tools. Now, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you one which I do think is the easiest. So let's pretend like this sample audio over here is going to be our hook. Now, it's going to be from the beginning and then towards over here, where of course is kind of the end of it. And let's say, of course, we had some music in between here and we wanted to copy the hook in here, for example, somewhere around here over the 1 minute and 10 mark, okay? So to actually do this, it's super simple. All you have to do is select the selection tool over here up top, or the selector tool, and what you want to do is just basically highlight over the vocals, so over the hook. So I'm gonna click and drag, and a nice tip over here is gonna be to hold down your control key, because if you hold down your control key, it's going to snap to your grid over here, and that way you'll be able to catch the tempo or whatever you're going for, okay? Also make sure the tempo is set, because if it's not, of course, it's gonna be hard to do this. Now, go ahead and hold down your control key. Now over here, I'm going to find the end of this specific hook. Let's pretend this is the hook. I'm going to get over here. And now this is going to be the end. And if I now hold down my control key again, so keep holding it, you want to go to wherever you want to copy it. So I'm going to go and copy it, for example, to 110 over here. What I'm going to do here is release my mouse button. And now I'm going to press Control and D on my keyboard. And as you can see, it's going to copy my hook right over here, the exact part I actually copied, okay? Which is amazing because now I can just go and basically go forward without me having to move it manually or copy and paste it manually. Just press Ctrl and D and it's going to duplicate at the exact point where you end your selection, okay? So that's kind of the quick way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.